So this is how to use Safeswap. Remember, Safeswap is part of YFDAI's exchange, and why I'm using it because remember in my other video we talked about you can get a free airdrop just by using Safeswap, because YFDAI is launching all their big ecosystem. They're about to launch a Safeswap token, so they're saying there's airdrops for people that use the exchange and people that have YFDAI, people that stake, and people that farm. So I'm deciding I'm going to try use it. So I've here you would have to connect. You here I just Google, you could just find Safeswap YFDAI Finance. Make sure it's here. Then we connect. Then I believe it only lets you do 2 certain swaps for now. So it only lets you do YFDAI to Ferrum and YFDAI to something else, which might be smart because it's making me have to get Ferrum, even though I normally wouldn't have really been checking on Ferrum. But let's see. So I need to add YFDAI because I tried to search it. So sometimes when you go to a exchange, if you can't find, if you go like here on Safeswap, if I was to write, because I want to change this token name, can I find YF? Yes, if I can't find the one I'm looking for, you can go back onto CoinGecko, search the one you're looking for, then here you can copy the contract address, go back to Safeswap, and you can paste it in. Then it should find it. So enter. There we go. Then we add it in. And then I want to change to Ferrum, isn't it? See, Ferrum's there. Yeah, see, Ferrum's not there either. So go back again. Copy the contract address. I remember why I'm doing this because originally why I got into crypto, because Uniswap in September gave $1,000 to people. Yeah, they gave 400 uni for people that just did this at the time in Uniswap. People see Uniswap looks like this. So I actually just used Uniswap as well to change my Ethereum to YFDAI, because I had to change Ethereum to YFDAI because in Safeswap they're only working with YFDAI because it's YFDAI. It's the exchange for YFDAI. So that's why I had to change. But imagine back in September, just by using Uniswap, what I just done, I could have got 400 uni tokens, which were $1,000 at the time, and now they're worth 9,600. So the same thing here. Before YFDAI launched their tokens and give the free airdrops, I want to make sure I'm using it just so I can get some free ones, because you never know what will happen. What am I doing? Oh yeah. So select. I'm gonna go max. So that max should give me about this amount. Okay. Approve. Or do I press swap? First time I'm using approve YFDAI. Let me go approve first. So fees associated, this is still using Ethereum. So confirm. It's pending. And yesterday I was trying to do this actually, and things, okay, that's gone through. So I think now can I press swap? Let me view on Etherscan. Etherscan's good because technically you can search anyone's address and see what's going on. I think this is what you could use to actually see all the addresses of any big pools or anything, and you can monitor how much money is actually really in the pool. Okay, that's gone through success. Let's see now, what do I do? Okay, yeah, so it's gonna approve. Now I can click swap, confirm swap. Sometimes gonna be more gas fees. Let's go confirm. Luckily, Ethereum gas fees today are very cheap. Like last week was 400 GWEI. It was ridiculous prices. Even someone was telling me there was something they were trying to do. and it was telling them about half Ethereum to do it. That's ridiculous. Now Ethereum at that time is like $500. So I think that's done. Let's look at my MetaMask. Have I got Ferrum in there? Maybe if I refresh. But that is how we use Safeswap. I might look into Ferrum. Yeah, so now I've got Ferrum in there, and that's how we use Ferrum. But let's see what we can learn about Ferrum while we're here. So Ferrum, because I have got them on Ferrum Crypto. I have got them on my Telegram, but I haven't actually looked at what they're offering. So they do staking. Let's see. So Ferrum Network, a DeFi ecosystem that interoperates across chains and removes barriers to mass adoption. The problem they're trying to solve: decentralized finance will never reach its full potential if it remains siloed on a handful of slow and expensive blockchains, relies on overly complex and risky products, and fails to interoperate with fiat currencies. Which is true, and this is why chainlink and other things. I found that chain is very important actually because it's got a link with Swift, and Swift are the people that use Swift is the official coding of like Swift accounts to send money across. But chainlink has a contract with them, and it's about being able to bridge from fiat to the cryptocurrency. So let's see the solution: a complete DeFi ecosystem that interoperates across chains and breaks down barriers to mass adoption. Interoperability protocol connects blockchains together, enabling the exchange of any digital asset for near zero network fees. Link based. Okay, welcome. Yeah, so it seems project using Ferrum, it seems they're trying to be that bridge, be able to help the mainstream start adopting with crypto, transact with unified wallet, transfer and swap cryptocurrencies over any messenger app. You can get this on the App Store and Google Play. What else have you got? So exchange with Infinity Dex, invest with First, store with Sub-Zero Wallet, and with flexible staking, so 12% early withdrawal, 50% and more. Yeah, so seems like I don't know much about them to be honest, but let's see the roadmap. So launched for a while. And we're around here, isn't it? Launch of the public testnet. Launch of the Foundry Incubator. So the Infinity. So they're still launching, still early days. I think they're like ranking. Where are they? Ranking 369. Market cap is only 49 million. So again, it's a fairly new project. So anything's possible in these times. But in 1 year, they've already done a 47x. If you had £1, you made £47. If you had £100, you would have made 4,700, isn't it? Let's say if you had £100 times 47, yeah. So, and they are 13 days, 51% from the all-time high. Yeah, so I'm following them now anyway, but I'll find out more about them. Let's see if you can see the team. Because when you invest in projects, it's always important to look at who the team are. What have we got about us? And private sales. A lot of things I do in crypto, I want to be able to get into private sales. So you get at the beginning, before it done that 47x. If I was able to get in at the beginning, then even £100, something small, becomes crazy profit. What we're looking at. So here we go. And these are the things you would research to see what other projects these guys have done. Yeah, so be sure to find out more about them.